Welcome to the Directory Advantage Screencast. In this episode, we're going to learn how to create a new advertiser listing. And so right now, what we're going to do, the first thing we're going to do is log into our control panel. And to create and publish a new advertiser listing, we're going to go to the Publish menu and select Advertiser Listings. And here we are at the advertiser listing publishing page. Now before we get too far here, let me go ahead and give a quick tour of the type of page we'll be editing. This is an advertiser listing, and we'll go ahead and go to this example of one here, the Extreme Indoor Activity Center. And as you can see, this advertiser listing lists the advertisers' name, a link to their website, their address, some additional information. This right here is called the advertiser badge, this image, and you're also able to upload several other images if you like that are related to the advertiser. So this is what we're going to create. We're going to create one for the Marble Slab Creamery ice cream shop. So the first thing we're going to want to do is enter the name of the advertiser right here in the title field. The second thing we're going to do is add their address, the city, the state, and the zip code. Once we have those entered, what we're going to want to do is go ahead and map this listing. If you do enter a street address, there will be a map that shows up on the page. It's optional. If you don't want a map on the page, just leave the street address field blank and there won't be a map. But since we do want a map for this one, what we're going to do is just go ahead and paste into this field our street address and our zip code, and click Find It, and it'll go ahead and pinpoint that location. And from there, if you do want to make additional tweaks or changes, you can actually take the pin and drag it and drop it. Sometimes Google's map isn't perfect, so you can always zoom in, and if you wanted to just make a slight adjustment, you're welcome to do that. The next thing we're going to do is want to fill out our phone number, our advertiser's email address if they want to list that on their page, their web address, and make sure when you enter this web address you use http:// and then the website address. And then right here you can enter additional locations. We're not going to do this for this advertiser, but if we wanted to, on the single page we could list additional locations for this advertiser. So if they had several ice cream shops, we could list them all, at least the address and contact information for as many different locations as we want to. An alternative way to do this is to actually have a separate entry for each of your different locations for the advertiser. If you do a separate entry for each advertiser, they have each location, you'll be able to map each location. If you just add additional locations here, all it's going to do is display this contact information below the main or primary location address. So it's kind of up to you.